It's day 22 of our Money Savvy Challenge, and I'm here to tell you what today's tip is. So make sure that you keep watching so you'll get that free, wonderful information. So today is day 22 of the Money Savvy Challenge. Welcome back to the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. Now, what we're talking about today is financial goals. It is important that you know exactly what your financial goals are. It could be to purchase a house in a couple of years. You might want to save $500 to buy a new outfit or new wardrobe. You might want to save money for your children's college fund, might want to save up money for an extravagant trip. It doesn't matter what the goal is because it's your goal. So your goal cannot be wrong. But you need to know what your goal is and make sure that you write it down and make it plain. Not just to you, but to your family, to your spouse, your significant other, even to your children. Sometimes children tend to ask for things, and they don't know what the end goal is, why you're saving money. So maybe if you share that with your children, hey son or daughter, I'm trying to save up for your college fund to make sure that I can pay for your college. So we can't do that today or this time or whatever the case may be. And maybe they'll understand, maybe they won't, but then they'll get the information from you like, oh, it's good to set goals, like financial goals for the future instead of trying to spend all the money now. It's good to be able to save money for the future. So this might be something that you would be interested in doing with your family as a whole, sitting down, if you have a family, sitting down at the table and everybody writing down like short-term goals. Short-term goals can be the next 6 months, 3 months. It can even be a year, but it is important that you write those down and that you look at them periodically every month. Visit them and say, okay, this is how close we are to meeting this goal, or this is how far away we are from meeting this goal. And then these are the steps that we need to do to achieve this goal. Step 1, step 2, step 3. That will help you move forward towards your goal faster, easier, and quicker. Because when you just have things in your head and they're just going around, and you have everything else that goes on from day to day, it might get trapped in there, and then you'll forget about your goal, and then there's nothing to have substantial that you can look at and say, okay, we've achieved this or we achieved this. This is what we need to do in order to reach it. So again, today is day 22. It is time to write down your goals, and those are the short-term goals. And hopefully this information has helped you. As always, I ask you to subscribe to the Financial Spotlight family so that you can be a part of our family, and make sure that you get that calendar. The description is in the description. The link is in the description box below so that you can download it for free. Again, this is something that you can use every single day of the year, not just this month, not just today, every single day of the year. So get that. It's free. Why not? Why not download it? It's free. Why not subscribe to the channel? That's free too. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this information has helped you, and I hope that you have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.